What does it take to stand out as a queen in not just one but two continents? Chidinma Adetshina's rise as the Queen of Africa and Oceania is a story of resilience, determination, and unparalleled achievement. In today's video, we'll uncover the incredible journey of this remarkable individual, exploring how she defied all odds to claim her crown and inspire countless others. Chidinma Adetshina isn't just a name, she represents strength and ambition. Hailing from Africa, her journey began in humble circumstances, but her aspirations knew no bounds. With a clear vision and relentless dedication, she rose to prominence, breaking barriers across continents. Her ability to connect with people from diverse backgrounds has been a key part of her success, making her a beloved figure both in Africa and Oceania. But what exactly set her apart? Let's dive deeper. Chidinma's accolades go far beyond titles. As a cultural ambassador and advocate for social change, she's used her platform to shine a light on critical issues, from women's empowerment to education access. Her crowning moment came during a fiercely competitive contest that showcased not only beauty but also intellect, leadership, and cultural pride. Chidinma's speech on the importance of unity and collaboration across nations captivated the judges and audience alike, solidifying her place as a symbol of hope and inspiration. Behind every crown lies a story of struggles and setbacks. Chidinma faced numerous challenges, including societal expectations, financial hurdles, and intense competition, yet she overcame them with resilience and an unshakable belief in her vision. Her journey serves as a powerful reminder that success isn't about where you start, but about how you persevere through adversity. Each step of her path has been a testament to her determination to leave a lasting impact. What makes Chidinma truly extraordinary is her commitment to using her influence for good. She has initiated programs that bridge cultural gaps between Africa and Oceania, fostering collaboration and mutual understanding. Her legacy isn't just about titles, it's about the lives she has touched and the change she continues to inspire. Her story is a celebration of resilience, cultural pride, and the power of representation on a global stage. Chidinma Adetshina's reign as Queen of Africa and Oceania is more than a title. It's a story of triumph that reminds us all of what's possible when vision meets perseverance. If you're inspired by her journey, there's so much more to explore about the impact of cultural ambassadors and leaders making waves around the world.